Alright guys, today is the day. I mean like, I don't know what to honestly say for an intro because it's like a big moment for me. This is gonna be me building my very first gaming PC. Yo, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the room where I'm gonna be building the PC. And as you guys can see, I got all my PC parts. I got the optic drive, the hard drive, power supply, the motherboard, that's gone, and the case. I'd say it's a pretty good PC, huh? Nah, just kidding guys. As you guys can see, this is where I'm gonna be building the PC. And I mean, like, let's just take a look at this stuff. Okay, so where do I even start? Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and flex really quick. First off, this PC was something I've been asking for 6 years. I really didn't have any gaming PCs, so when I finally got the chance to build my own, I didn't hold back. We got right here the EVGA RTX 2070 right here with the ray tracing enabled and all the other good features on it. This is pretty much one of the top of the line PCs, only below the TI versions and the 280s. So this was a good buy. Now on top of that, we also went ahead and got ourselves Intel i7 8700K unlocked. So we're definitely going to be doing some overclocking on this computer, and we're also going to be doing probably a lot of other things on this computer as well. Top of that, got ourselves an MSI Gaming Plus. We also got a EVGA 700 bronze rating power supply. Then we also got our hands on a Master Liquid 240 LRGB liquid cooler, because we're going to be doing some liquid cooling on the CPU as well. And as for memory, this is nothing impressive, but 3000 megahertz Vengeance, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2 sticks of 8, a Blu-ray drive, and then we got Samsung 860 EVO SSD, 500 gigabytes, a 2 terabyte hard drive from Seagate, and then we got ourselves here a nice little case, and then a 27-inch Dell monitor, 144 hertz, 2 millisecond response time, a brand new keyboard, RGB G810 Orion Spectrum mechanical keyboard, and then we topped it off with a new VR system, Windows Mixed Reality Dell visors, just to top it all off. So as you can see guys, this is a pretty beast setup, especially for a first time gaming computer. I honestly have to go ahead and put all this together myself. And honestly, I gotta be like, kind of careful with this kind of stuff because there's not that much warranty on it. So let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start building it now. It's probably gonna go to a time lapse mode, and I'll talk to you guys after it's built. So yeah. So we got everything set up. We got the case, the power supply head, the motherboard, the graphics card, the CPU, everything set up. So now all we gotta do is I got it in my own desk here, and I wanna go ahead and just move all these boxes, move the monitor aside, and just set everything up so that when I'm done, it's gonna be really nice to just put everything together. Okay guys, so we pretty much got everything set up. Here's what my setup is gonna kind of look like. We got the new Orion, we got the new laptop, mouse pad. Haven't gotten a new mouse yet because the Logitech mouse I ordered hasn't come in yet. It's on stock and back ordered. But until then, yeah, I got the desk set up. It looks like a really nice desk. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of this. I'm probably gonna have to flip the desk really quick and then probably adjust it to get the best look for it. I'll just flip it really quick and then we'll start building. Guys, so I ran into a little problem here. So I went and got one of my friend's friend. His name is Justin. He's actually good in building PCs. He offered to come and build my PC. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, so he's like being a good Samaritan right now. So I'll just let you guys watch Justin put the PC together. And yeah, so I hope you guys will show you what it's like after it's built.
I really hate to say this. I think there's someone hanging right there.
Year review. 3-1 time, everybody.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh?
Who you gonna do it? You have to know the fucking quit.
Everyone,
Brand new chair, brand new bitch, and I got a new.
I am the glug gaga. 3-1 time, everybody.
Lasagna, bitch, lasagna. This ain't nothing but a bitch. Lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch.
3-1 time, everybody.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot.
3-1 time.
What the heck is going on?
3-1 time, everybody. One time, everybody. 3-1 time, everybody.
That's hot. That's hot.
She think this is a stupid hackaway.
Oh, you think this is a joke?
You're eating up your breakfast when I'm eating up my dinner. I never wanted to be. Can you believe it? Did you do this decided for anything?
Attention all libtards. Now Ben Shapiro wants to know my location.
Okay, that was epic. Next meme.
Rewind time, everyone.
So guys, we did it.
I'm a good now.
I'll be Bastion. You're Renzo Winston. I wanna be Winston. I guess I'll be Genji. I'm already Genji.
Finally got my PC up and running. It's running like a beast right now. It's on turbo, everything's overclocked. I can't believe I'm getting these frames on my games. This is kind of unreal. So guys, if you like that kind of compilation, be sure to check out my other content. I'm definitely going to be uploading a lot more videos with this thing because, man, I never thought I could be able to run games and software this fast. So expect a lot more quality content in the future. Alright, that's it. Peace.